Hallo zusammen. Mein Name ist
Hello
Alexander
everybody.
Fisches.
My name is Alexander Fisches and I'm pleased to introduce you today to our new Roairvac vacuum pumps. To be more precise, today we are talking about the Roairvac R32 2.0 CL and the Roairvac R32 5.0 CL. I will now introduce you to the advantages of the vacuum pumps with our Roairvac R32 5.0 CL. What makes our Roairvac vacuum pumps so special? First of all, our vacuum pumps are battery-driven, not just with any battery, but with the CAS battery. CAS is the first cross-manufacturer battery system. The battery operation eliminates the need for a power outlet on the construction site, meaning you don't have to connect your vacuum pump to the power socket to get started. The second point why our Roairvac vacuum pumps are so special is the integrated solenoid valve. And what this means in practice, I will show you now. As you can see, we have now made a small setup to show you the integrated solenoid valve. As you can see, we have connected our wireless vacuum pump with our hose to our Rocool 600 digital manifold. As you can see, we are pulling vacuum, and I am now pulling the battery out of the vacuum pump to simulate an empty battery. As you can see, the vacuum does not change. This means that the integrated magnetic valve is now closed and holds the vacuum. When a new battery is inserted, the vacuum pump continues seamlessly. If you have a vacuum pump without an integrated solenoid valve, the vacuum would break now, and you would have to start the evacuation process again. Last but not least, I'd like to mention the third point that makes our Roairvac vacuum pumps so special. The third point is the compact design. How do we achieve this compact design? We achieve the compact design primarily through the built-in brushless motor. The brushless motor is much smaller than a conventional motor, making the pump lighter and more powerful. To put this in comparison, a comparable-sized cable-driven vacuum pump is about 2 kilograms heavier than this one, but has only 1/3 of the power.
Hat aber nur ein Drittel der Leistung.